you hate me.
Holy
Oh no.
Stop. Dude. You need to...
Princess!
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Don't do it! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
You wanna play?
It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't even hear the pump, right?
Ağzını açıldı değil mi salak? Ağzını açıldı.
Wait.
Ollie, what are you doing?
Sana güzel bir mama alacağım Minoş.
It's a Charlie Brown Christmas. Okay.
No. Toss it out! I said... Bagel, no! Bagel!
Well, not yet. Roger.
The choice is yours.
You're happy and you know I clap your hands.
Lagi begitu tuh foto.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Gary!
No. Your demise.
Excuse me? Hello. Hello.
Hey.
What is going on here?
here.
Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth. Good job, Whisper. Whisper. Good job. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at his face.
That is absolutely.
Oh my god.
Meow.
She's happy.
Hey.
Hello.
Me.
Is he going to deliver speed?
Meow.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Wait, this tastes like some medicine. Ah!
Watch, I've been doing this to her for like 10 minutes.
How do I pet? How do we? Oh.
He could do it if he tried.
Oh!
my charger?
Are you tired?
Luna, stop.
This is my meat.
Dinner.
What?
Oh, those are my Cheetos.
The party.
Okay.
You know?
Get down from the fridge right now. Stop it!
This filter tells you if your cat is an angel or a devil.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Great. Big ol' eyes.
Since before they were eggs.
Making sure that the world is well known that it is her and her alone.
Oh, shit.
Hey, that's gonna be cute. Go.
Oh my God, she's so fat.
Don't say that to my cat. She's not fat.
Holy
It's just a slip.